if you're experiencing issues with voice chat in EAFC25, follow these steps to disable it. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Access game settings. Navigate to the main menu of EAFC25 and select the Settings option. This is usually found in the Options or Settings tab where you can adjust various game preferences. Step 2. Go to Audio Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Audio or Voice Chat section. This is where you can manage all audio-related features, including voice chat settings. Step 3. Disable voice chat. In the Audio settings, find the option for voice chat. Toggle the setting to off or disable to turn off voice chat functionality. This should prevent any voice chat from being active during your gameplay. Step 4. Save changes. After disabling voice chat, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the settings menu to ensure your adjustments are recorded. Step 5. Restart the game. To ensure that the changes take effect, exit the game completely and restart it. This will refresh the game settings and confirm that voice chat is disabled. By following these steps, you should be able to disable voice chat in EAFC25 successfully. If you continue to experience issues, consider checking for game updates or consulting the support page for further assistance.